Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing a Temu wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Now this is the wig, you guys. This is what they sent me, but I'm still be honest. Wig cap. It's a 13x4. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps, and elastic band to wear it glueless. It's soft, you guys, but soft don't mean nothing. It does shed a lot, definitely a lot, because I know that 613 and colored hair does shed, but I don't like these short pieces in the front. We gonna make this work. This Temu wig, I did have to go ahead and pluck this wig. As you can see, the hairline looks way better than before, you guys. I added my widow's peak, of course, and now it's time to fit this wig, make it sure it's ear to ear. And look at that hairline. This hairline is giving, you guys. Okay. Now you want to cut the ear tabs. When you do this slow so you won't have to cut too much out. And as you can see, it is perfect ear to ear. No black pieces sticking out around the sideburns.
I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood.
Cut from eyebrow to eyebrow, so that way it will be 3 pieces of lace when you cut it. Then you want to use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray Level 9. Apply it down to your forehead and spread it out using your fingers. Every time I install a wig using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray, I do 2 to 3 layers. Blow dry it on hot, setting in between layers so that way it can be tacky. Once it's tacky, lay the lace down in sections. The reason why I'm doing this in sections is because it's very beginner friendly. That is why I wanted you guys to cut from eyebrow to eyebrow. As y'all can see, the 3 sections, of course.
I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga, bitch. Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking.
Put your hair up in a ponytail so you start working on this lace. You want to spray on top of the lace now, closest to the hairline as possible.
In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in one way, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay.
Now you use your wide tooth comb to press the lace into the skin and cut off this extra lace because I cannot see at all. Melting band, then you want to blow dry it on cold setting. Remove it, and then you about to start cutting this lace off in sections. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and do this slow so you won't cut your head off.
Out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in, coming, fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just start you. I'm geeked on.
Cut the lace down the middle, and then you want to cut straight across to give that widow's peak hairline. That's what you want.
Slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho.
The lace is lifting a little bit at the edges, so you want to lay it back down and take your wide tooth comb or your fingers to press the lace into your skin so that way it can give scalp no lifting.
Got M&M's in my garage with the crank up on the hoe. You bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid.
The Frontal Queen melting spray, I'm going to spray in the cap, and then I'm going to use my makeup brush to apply the melting spray. And as you can see, the lace is disappearing like magic. This is why I love using the melting spray, because it gives scalp every single time blow dry it on hot setting, and then go back in and blow dry it again on cold. Use Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12 on the lace. As you can see the lace, but as soon as you add the makeup to the lace, it's going to match your skin tone and the lace is going to disappear like magic.
Two-tone Cartier match the nails, no competition, these bitches fail,
Add some makeup in the part so it can look natural. You want to use a lighter side like level 9, and then I'm going to put my melting band on and start cutting this hair. I know it's too short, but I need this wig to be even as possible. Take your wax stick and your hot comb to sleek all the flyaways and make it look flat like scalp. This is the final result. The bob is bobbing stiff wear, but it's too short for my liking, you guys. But I had to cut it even because if not, I was not gonna give at all. You do get some shedding in this wig, which is normal for color wigs and 613 hair. No burning, no melting in this wig, which means this wig is 100% human hair, you guys. It took the heat very well. I was expecting it to be synthetic. I don't remember the price at all, but this is the results, you guys.